See, waiting room is not enabled now. Kanchan is feeling some stress. What is the stress? Tell me, I'll take the stress. What is the stress? Give me.
एक्चुअली
Hmm.
एक्चुअली मैम, मैं जहाँ वर्क करती हूँ एज ए एफिलिएट,
Hmm.
तो वहाँ मुझे थोड़ा अर्निंग करना है, बट नहीं हो रहा है। बहुत बहुत ट्राई कर रही हूँ, बट नहीं हो रहा है।
कैसे ट्राई कर रहे हो
तो
आप? क्या?
आई फील, यस,
Sometimes it's like वो रास्ता. I want to reach to Delhi. कैसे पहुंचना दिल्ली? I don't know. Will I need some help to reach, or will I reach on my own? I'll need, right?
यस,
So sometimes
यस,
वो नहीं हो रहा because I don't know how to reach. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे पहुंचते
यस,
हैं. I will need
कैसे बस,
somebody who
यस,
has been to Delhi. I'll need somebody who knows at least the path to Delhi. Then only I'll reach. Otherwise,
यस,
think of this complete world. You are standing in the middle of the world and you want to reach Delhi and you are trying कि नहीं मैं तो कभी इस रास्ते भी जा रही हूँ कभी इस रास्ते भी जा रही हूँ मैं नहीं पहुंच रही. Why am I not reaching? Because I'm trying to reach, but I don't know the path. You will have to get somebody who knows the path. Okay? Okay?
यस,
So don't get stressed. You have to actually just hold it to get into the path and you will be able to. It's not about कि मैं पहुंच नहीं सकती. ठीक है? All right. Let me share my screen. Yes. So warm good morning, all of you. Kajal has messaged me. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. VIP matrix. Ready? Excited for VIP matrix? All right. So there is Mr. X, and Mr. X comes to you, and Mr. X is very excited with all the years that you have spent on educating yourself. You went to KG, then class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 12, maybe college, maybe after that you took your doctor's degree, you took your engineering degree, you took your XYZ degree. All the years you have spent in educating yourself, Mr. X sees all of that is there in you, and Mr. X says, all the education or everything that you have spent on yourself, I want this. Okay, so you will be back to zero, where you don't know to write kakha gagha, you don't know to write ABCD, you don't know how to count. You will be back to zero, and Mr. X will have every single thing. Okay, Mr. X is very excited looking at you. All the years that she has spent on education, he has spent on education. I want that. Okay, so how much will you sell it for? Just mention a number. You can write the number on your notebook. How much will you sell it for? You can also write it in the chat. How much will you sell it? The entire education that you have spent. You learned how to make your cursive writing better. You learned how to do ABCD and the proper word formation. You learned how to speak properly. You learned to speak in English. You learned to speak in Hindi. You learned to uh, actually speak the sentences carefully, properly. Everything that you learned, Mr. X wants every single thing that is there in you. And you will be back to zero. You will not have anything. How much will you sell it for? Written a number. What's the number? You all can unmute. Just tell me the number also together. Kanchan, Anu, and Dr. Lalan. Just unmute. How much will you sell it? You will be back to zero, and Mr. X wants everything, all the education that you have. Maybe you learned some courses. You are taking this today, and all of the things that you are learning on YouTube, podcast, here and there. People taught you everything. I want. Yes. How much will you sell it for? Tell me a number. Kanchan, how much are you selling it for? Anu, how much are you selling? जो भी एजुकेशन अभी तक आपने ली है, आप जीरो पे चले जाओ और मिस्टर एक्स को सब कुछ चाहिए. आप फिर से सीखो सब कुछ. आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं होगा. How much? Tell me a number. How much will you sell it for? बोलो बोलो बोलो. Not selling.
नॉट काउंटेबल, बट मैं नॉट Not
Not selling.
countable.
Okay, Kanchan is not selling.
Yes.
मैं नहीं sell करूँगी. ठीक है. Anu, how much are you selling for?
इवन आई मैम आई डोंट वांट टू सेल माय एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज ये अनकाउंटेबल है, वो करोड़ों की संपत्ति है जो
करोड़ों की
लिया
संपत्ति है. You don't understand. Okay, write down 1 crore, 100 crore, whatever amount you want to put down. Dr. Lalan, how much will you sell? Your entire education. You be back to zero. I want to become. Mr. X wants to become that doctor, and will sit in the clinic and will do everything. You will come back to zero. But whatever amount you will decide, Mr. X is ready to give you. How much will you sell it for?
500 crore.
500 crore?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, 500 crore. Fine. Wonderful. All the valuable lessons you learnt in life. You did a mistake. You learned something, right? And now you know I will do different mistake. I will not do this mistake again. ये गलती मैंने कर ली, अब मैं नहीं करूँगा, ये पक्का है. तो you have learned many lessons from childhood, right? बचपन से. ये भी किया, ये भी सीखा, किसी ने सिखाया. Your elders taught you, your teachers taught you, your experiences taught you, right? The people around taught you. So all the valuable lessons you have learnt in life, Mr. X wants all of that. You will be back to zero lessons from life. You will have no lessons in life because Mr. X will buy all the lessons that is yours lessons. So Kanchan's experience will become Mr. X experience. Anuradha's all the experiences, all the valuable lessons that she has learnt in life will become Mr. X experiences. Dr. Lalan's all the valuable lessons he has learnt will become Mr. X experience. How much will you sell it for? Tell me a number. Quickly. We'll do the VIP metrics, all of us. Well, Kanchan, just unmute. All of you unmute and just tell me a number. Yes.
मैम मैं तो काउंट इसलिए नहीं कर पा रही क्योंकि यही सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक है, अगर मैंने उसको फेल कर दिया तो मैं तो जीरो पर आ गई, तो मैं कैसे काउंट करूँ नंबर्स पे.
How much will you sell it? Not selling?
नो नॉट एट ऑल.
selling. Okay, not selling. Right now, not selling. Not selling my valuable lessons. Kanchan, how much will you sell it for?
Yes, yes, ma'am. And I am also not selling.
You are also not selling. Okay.
Yes.
Dr. Lalan, how much are you selling it for? Unmute.
पहले का क्वेश्चन भी तो यही था मैम, कि ये अलग था.
पहले वाला एजुकेशन था, ये लेसन सीख, जीवन के सीख. पहला तो एजुकेशन था ना, अब ये लेसन है जो आपने सीखी है, गलतियां की, सीखी, कुछ विजडम्स एक्वायर किए जो आप पास ऑन करेंगे बच्चों तक कि ये गलती मत करना, ये सही चीज करना. हाउ मच विल यू सेल इट फॉर? आपके पास कोई लेसन्स नहीं होंगे जीवन के कोई भी सीख नहीं बचेगा. हाउ मच विल यू सेल इट फॉर? आप जीरो पे आ जाएंगे.
प्राइसलेस है मैम.
प्राइसलेस. ओके, प्राइसलेस लिख लीजिए. प्राइसलेस. ऑल द स्किल्स यू हैव, जो भी स्किल्स आपने बचपन से सीखी, ड्राइविंग, कुकिंग, राइटिंग, रीडिंग, एक्टिंग, स्पीकिंग अ पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, मे बी फ्रेंच, मे बी इंग्लिश, मे बी XYZ, जो भी स्किल्स आपने सीखी है, स्टिचिंग, ठीक है, ड्राइंग, डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, जो भी स्किल्स आपके पास है, ड्राइविंग एवरी सिंगल डे, all the skills that you have, Mr. X wants to buy all of those skills and you will be back to zero. How much will you sell it for? All the skills. आपके पास कोई भी skill नहीं होगा. You will have no skills, you will be left with no skills. How much will you sell it for? Archana, how much will you sell it for?
It's priceless as well.
Okay, priceless. So, not selling?
These skills can be served. I don't think I would sell it.
All right. Not selling. Kanchan, how much are you selling? Mr. X wants to buy all the skills that you have.
I am not selling.
Not selling. Okay, write down not selling.
Because
Dr.
I
Lalan.
paid.
I'd share, but serve, but not sell.
Okay, so Mr. X wants to buy all the skills. You will be back with zero skills. Okay, so Dr. Lalan, how much are you selling it for?
Ma'am,
All
I have already got 500 crore. I need not sell anything more.
Okay, not selling. Anuradha, how much are you selling it for?
नहीं मैम, नॉट कंफर्टेबल कि
Not
वो
selling.
अपने, हाँ, यस, नॉट सही.
Not selling. Gitanjali, how much are you selling it for? All the skills. You will not know cooking, you will not know driving, you will not know to speak, you will not know to write because you don't have any
Oh my
skills.
God. This is like going back to zero. So these are all the treasures that you get in life, and it's like a experience that you're giving it to somebody. No, I will not, not at all.
You will not sell. Okay, not selling. Write it down.
Not.
All the natural born talent. Now there was few things that was naturally good in you. Okay, you have not done any hard work for that, but you were born with those talents. Maybe you are empathetic, maybe you are a good listener, maybe you are a good speaker, maybe you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, maybe you are very good in maths, maybe you are like, it was a natural born talent. Okay, you were born with those talents. So how much are you selling your natural born talents? Maybe talents like you are confident. Okay, maybe you know how to take your dresses together, maybe you know how to put your makeup together, maybe something you have a talent that you know, and it was natural for you because you got it from your mom and dad or XYZ. It was just naturally you were born with that because of your past karma. So how much are you selling your natural born talents? All of you, one by one, quickly. How much are you selling your natural born talents? Mr. X wants to buy your natural born talent so that it becomes his natural born talents. You will be back to zero talents. Okay. How much are you selling it for? Kanchan, how much are you selling it for?
Not selling again.
Okay. Mr. X is
Not selling.
Anuradha, how much are you selling it for? All the natural born
मैम जो
talents.
पुराने जो गंदे वाले हैं ना एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब जो पुराने हैं वो सारे तो मैं सेल कर दूंगी और जो अच्छे वाले वो रख लूंगी.
Okay. All right. Gitanjali, how much are you selling it for? All you will have to sell. All.
मैम पुराने वाले तो फ्री में ले कर्मा.
Okay, zero. Gitanjali, how much are you selling all your natural born talents?
My God, that is a God gift. Why will I gift it to someone?
No, you're not gifting, you are selling. You can ask for any money and Mr. X will give you that money. Any amount of money.
गिफ्टिंग तो दूर की बात है, सेलिंग तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
All right. Okay. Dr. Lalan, how much are you selling natural born talents for?
Not needed, man.
Not selling. Archana, how much are you selling all your natural born talents? Get back
Oh,
to
I will impress and amaze the world, but I will not sell.
you will not sell. Okay, not selling. All the support you have, the support of oxygen, the support of nature, the support
my
of
God.
parents, the support of having a house, the support of having parents, the support of having a spouse, the support of having a children, the support of all the amazing people you are surrounded, the support of mentors, all the support that you have in your life. Okay, Mr. X wants to have all of that support and it should become his support. You will have zero support in life. How much are you selling all your support for? How much? Dr. Lalan, how much are you selling all your support for? You will have zero support in life, no support.
Not
You have
selling,
to
man.
struggle for oxygen, you will have to struggle for water, you will have to struggle for good people in the world, you will have to struggle for one nice person who will actually, you will have to struggle for your meals, your spouse is not doing, your mates are not there, your help is not there, no support you have, zero support. How much are you selling? कोई maid नहीं, कोई cook नहीं, कोई gardener नहीं, no one. How much are you selling it for?
Not selling, ma'am.
Not selling, okay. Anuradha, how much are you selling it
Not
for?
selling, ma'am.
Not selling. Okay. Kanchan, how much are you selling it for? Mr. X really wants to buy it. How much? Not selling.
Not selling.
Not selling. Okay. Gitanjali, how much are you selling it for?
Not selling.
Not selling. Okay. Archana, how much are you selling it for?
No, I will share, but not. I will myself support them little share, but not giving.
No, he
Selling.
wants to buy everything. You
No.
come to zero. No? Okay. Okay. All right. Not selling. Your positive qualities that makes you. That makes you feel proud when you look yourself in the mirror. Yeah, I am this kind of person. We all have that, right?
Mhm.
I am this kind of person. And you feel very proud of those positive qualities that you have. Okay, maybe you are loving, maybe you are caring, maybe you are you really know how to speak the right word, maybe you know how to, if somebody is crying, you know how to make the person stop crying, if somebody is in trouble, you know how to take the person out of trouble. Maybe you have a leadership quality. So I don't know, all the positive qualities that you have. Okay. So tell me two of the positive qualities, like you're a pure soul, you're a peace, like Kanchan said, like you're a pure soul, you're a peaceful soul. Whatever qualities you have, Mr. X wants to buy all the qualities, and you will have zero qualities. Okay, not a single quality to be felt proud of, because you are left with zero. How much will you sell it for? All of you, how much will you sell it for? Tell me the
Not for sale.
not for sale. Okay, how much are you selling Gitanjali for?
Not at all, nothing, zero.
And zero. Archana, how much are you selling it for?
No, not sellable.
Not
Nothing.
selling.
It's just, yeah,
Anuradha, how much are you selling it for?
not for sale.
मैम दैट इज द रीजन आई एम यूनिक, और अगर मैं अपनी यूनिकनेस ही दे दूंगी तो फिर मेरे पास बचेगा क्या? तो नॉट एट ऑल.
Okay.
Yes,
My God,
very.
people are too rich. Mr. X just came with like 1,000 crore, 100 crore, any amount, but all of you are not selling. All right, okay.
Not.
All the best memories of your life. You spent good times with your family.
मैम वी ऑल आर रिच एक्चुअली.
Yeah, that's true. So, best memories of life. You spent beautiful time with your children. You saw your children growing up. You spent beautiful time with your spouse. You spent beautiful time with your friends, maybe family, your own parents, memories of going somewhere, traveling, memories of spending time near beaches, memories, all the beautiful memories, memories of your own work, all the beautiful memories, the best memories of your life. Mr. X wants to take all those memories, fit it in his system. It will become his memories, and you will be back with zero good memories in life. You will have all the bad. Okay, so whatever bad, you take it. Mr. X is not interested in your bad memories. Mr. X is interested in all your good memories, all the memories that make you smile. You are sitting alone and it makes you smile, and it makes you feel my life is not that bad really, because I really went through this, and I really have this, and I really have this, and I really did this, and whatever. Mr. X wants to buy all the good memories, all the beautiful and the bestest memories of your life. How much are you selling it for, Archana? Not
Uh,
sell.
not for sale.
Not for sale. Okay. Kanchan, how much are you selling it for? All the good memories.
Not. No, ma'am. Not for sale.
Okay. Kanchan, Anu, how much are you selling it for, Anuradha?
This is my actual property
Not selling. Okay.
Party,
Dr. Lalan, how much are you selling it for?
actually.
Not
Nahi,
selling.
Papa.
Oh, I can't.
Gitanjali, how much are you selling it for? Mr. X is waiting.
These are like my cherishable moments. These are my memories. I cannot sell them.
You cannot sell them. Okay. Perfect. I hope all of you are realizing where we are going with this, right? Getting it? How are you valuable to the world? So I would love you to think about, how am I valuable to the world? Even if you are valuable to one person, I would love you to really think of, how are you valuable to the world? Just spend a minute thinking that. How are you valuable to the world? Mr. X wants everything. You will be Nikamma, Nakara, who has no value in the world. Okay? How much are you selling it for? You will have no value. You will be sitting like a, what do we say? A bori on the side who has no value. How much are you selling it for? You will have zero value, but Mr. X will give you whatever amount you decide. How much are you selling it for? Unmute all of you together and speak. How much are you selling it for?
Not selling.
Not selling. Okay.
Not selling.
What about all the
Not selling.
compliments you have got in life? People told, oh wow, you're so beautiful. Oh wow, you're so smart. Oh my God, you have such a great personality. Oh my God, well do you speak? Oh my God, how great is your acting? Oh my God, how amazing healer you are. Oh my God, you're such a great person. Oh my God, you're such a great doctor. Oh my God, you're such a beautiful person. Oh my God, you're such a loving person. Oh my God, you're such whatever. Mr. X wants all those compliments. You come with zero compliment, you will get now no compliments in this world. Okay? Mr. X will get all the compliments. He want all those compliments. Okay? And you will have no compliments. How much are you selling it for? You sitting with zero compliments and he will get all the compliments of the world. Maybe your son came to you and said, oh my God, you're such a great parent. You're such a good mom. You're such a good father. I'm so proud that you are my father. You are my dad. You are an amazing husband, you are an amazing wife, you are XYZ, whatever. You will not get all that after this because Mr. X wants to get all the compliment that you are getting. How much you are selling it for? Unmute all of you. Tell your amount quickly. Mr. X is waiting. How much?
Not selling.
Zero.
Selling.
You want all of those compliments, right? You want.
Definitely.
Okay, fine. So, what is your value in the world? What is your value?
Priceless.
More
Price.
more valuable. Hmm.
Can you see your value in your eyes?
Yes.
Really, can you feel it? Everything that you had taken for granted.
I love my
Okay. You are really valuable to the world.
Yes.
100 crores, 500 crore, 1000 crore, not selling, not selling, not selling. Count all of that and see this is my value. I would just love all of you to see your worth. So this VIP metrics really helps us to see our own worth, which we have forgotten. And we thought, मेरे पास मैं तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. You have just forgotten what you have. Okay? If all of you can see your worth, just do I can see my worth. I am worthy, I am valuable. I am worthy and I am
Worthy, I am valuable.
I am worthy, I am valuable.
I
money.
am good. I am valuable.
I am worthy.
Money.
I am
I am worthy. I am valuable.
Love that. Because you all are. We have just forgotten that, right? Somebody said something and we just forgot our own worth and we thought really we are all of that nonsense that people have spoken about and not.
Oh, light gone.
There are two ways we work in our life. All right. One is a hoping energy. Hoping. You are starting a new business, you're starting new work, you are putting a post on Instagram, you are opening a new branch, you are investing in a new mentorship program, you're investing in a new business, XYZ. Hoping it works out. I hope it works out. It's a hoping energy. And the second is I am a success, watch me rock. Can you see the energy difference? Okay. So one is energy of hope. That means you are not sure will it work. Okay. And everything outside, Kanchan, I'm also giving you answer to your question. And everything outside is the mirror of my belief that I have. And over time, when we create the same thought again and again, it's like a brick. It is solid in your body. Solid. Okay. So I would love you not to have any hoping energy, but having the energy, even if it doesn't happen for anybody around, I know I'll make it. Okay. Whether you are coming for anything, any program, any business, anything, I am a success, I'll be a success. I'll be the success testimonial. I will be the success in this particular business. Have that energy rather than having, I don't know, maybe, right? Not that. Half expecting to fail or fear of things not working out versus expecting to succeed. Can you see the two different energies? One is, what if it doesn't work? One is, what if it works? What if I really become that millionaire that I've thought in my mind? What if I really come into top 100 companies? Are you getting me? So two different what if. Both are what if, yes or no? Both are what ifs. Why not focus on the better what if? So half expecting to fail or fear of things not working out is one way of thinking. The other is expecting to succeed, and I will keep aligning and allowing till I get there. I'll keep aligning myself to that energy, right? So even when things are not working, that means I have to align myself more narrow down, more align myself, more align my thoughts to the energy of abundance, more align my thoughts to the energy of success rather than the opposite way around, right? If you got it, just nod your head if you're getting it, right? Break money beliefs. So today we will get more deeper. That day we have done. If you all are clear about it, we can go ahead. If you want to do it more, breaking money belief, we can do more. Have you all understood this? How you can break any money belief? I remember there was one of my client. Her name was Jenny, and she said that she was just narrating me the story, and she just narrated that she actually had a fight with her husband, and now both of them are parted. She actually narrated that both of us are living part-ways, and I didn't got anything. I deserved a particular share of that, but I didn't got anything. And within a week, the house in which she was living, there was some problem in the paperwork, and that house was also taken away. Within the next week, the children who used to love her a lot stopped talking to her, and they said, don't call us mom, and like, you are whatever. So the third thing happened. The fourth is all the jewelry she had to actually sell to actually take her life in a better, because she had to do something now, otherwise so she will be stuck. She sold all the jewelry to actually take care of the house, get everything that will be needed. And the last week before, as she came for me, she said, Manisha, at this point, I don't think I have a single money in my bank account. I don't think I have a single jewelry. I don't have any backup. Nothing was there. Now, when I was listening to this story, I would love to decode what was going in my head. When you focus on one thing that was lack in your life, the next thing that you are attracting is lack. If you are focusing on the second lack, the next thing you are attracting is again a lack. If you are focusing on the third lack, the next thing that you are attracting, because now it's the sum of 3 lakhs, 3 lakh, not lakhs, the 3 lakh energy. Now the fourth thing that we'll be attracting will again be a bigger lack. Are you getting me? Instead, what to do? Shift your energy. Okay? Shift your energy towards what you want, because the beliefs are solidifying like a steel, like a brick otherwise. It becomes very difficult to go other way around. Okay? So you can do this homework, break money belief. About money, all the beliefs that you have. Money is very difficult to earn. I'm able to earn, but I'm not able to keep. Money comes and money goes. I never have more than this amount in my bank account. I always lose money. Right? Somebody will snatch this money from me. Rich people are cheaters. Rich people are bad people. My investments will go low. What else? You tell me all the beliefs that we have learnt about money. that now it's eye-opening for you that it's not the truth. Suddenly, if somebody earns 20 lakhs, 30 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, in our society, it's treated as it cannot be asani se. It's a cheating that the person might have done. That's the society we are living in. Okay? Okay? But the same, you go to a elite society, it will be normal to talk about crores, right? It's a normal thing. Okay, today how
Yeah.
much was the business? This is the amount. Today, yesterday, how much it was lost? This is the amount. It will be normal to have money conversation on dinner table, but in normal family, money, if you start money conversation, it will look like a very odd conversation. Or where is this going? She's doing a lot of money this, all these days. So that is how the people are going to look at us, right? So I would love you to really have a new conversation, a new relationship, as if money is a normal thing, a normal part of your life. Start a new relationship with money, and that is what the whole idea is. That we are doing. All of you can do this, break money beliefs. So write down all the belief that you have about money and then break it. Just break it, step by step.
Ma'am, but I have a question.
Please ask.
हम शिफ्ट करते हैं, बट इंस्टेंट अगर एनर्जी को शिफ्ट करना है तो वो कैसे करें? क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है कि एट अ मोमेंट हमें अपनी एनर्जी शिफ्ट करनी है, अदरवाइज हम कुछ गलत डिसीजन ले लेंगे। उस टाइम पर हम इंस्टेंट कैसे अपनी एनर्जी को शिफ्ट करें?
Pick any of the exercise that you are learning and you will learn more. Anyone that has touched you, and do that exercise in that moment. Just do that exercise. There will be 47 exercises that I'll be sharing within these 21 days. 47. You pick any, your energy will shift. Do you all feel an energy shift after the completion of the class? Is there an energy shift in your body?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
There is a
yes.
shift that is created, right? Now, how to keep that shift? Anytime you are wanting that shift, take any of the exercise. It's not that one exercise is more powerful than the other. I just want to give you a buffet of food. So, buffet of exercises. You pick any, you will see a shift in your energy, right? So that will work. Any. You do winner among winners. You do money giant. You do any of the negative belief that's coming. Break it like this. One way. Okay, I'm feeling I'll not. Your mind is saying, Anuradha, you will not be able to do this.
Cancel it.
Where did I pick up? Where did I pick that from? I picked that from
Cancel it. Yes.
last time I was not able to do it. Is this a universal truth that I never have done it? No, this is not a universal truth. I have done it, right? So many times,
Yes.
so many serials and so many XYZ. Is there evidence to the contrary? Yes. Last time I went for the audition and I was selected and I got this big deal for the full year, whatever. Okay. What do
Yes.
I want to believe instead? I want to believe I'm a magnet to opportunity.
Yes.
Can you see? We have just came and made ourselves to a new belief system. So this is how powerful. Just sit with it and be ready to work on it.
Mhm.
Yesterday I was chanting love letter लिखा मैंने मनी को.
Good. Very good. Very good. It's like
Question.
it's like bathing and brushing your teeth. Every single day there should be
Yes.
some exercise that you are doing to clean your money energy. आप सोचो कि एक दिन तो नहा लिया था मैम, 21 दिन तो आपने करवा दिया था मैम, तो उसके बाद नहीं नहाओगे, उसके बाद ब्रश नहीं करोगे. 1 घंटे नहीं करना है, 5 मिनट तो करो. ठीक है, 1 घंटे वाला नहाना हम हफ्ते में 1 दिन करेंगे. बॉडी स्क्रब भी लगाएंगे एंड उपटन भी लगाएंगे और सेंट्स भी लगाएंगे और सॉल्ट वाटर भी लेंगे और शैम्पू भी लगाएंगे, कंडीशनर भी लगाएंगे, हेयर मास्क भी लगाएंगे. वी विल डू एवरीथिंग वन डे. बाकी दिन 5 मिनट वाला नहाओगे, वो भी नहीं करोगे. 5
Yes,
मिनट
ma'am.
वाला एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट.
Yes, yes.
Okay, because
Ma'am, I have
you will not
question.
brush your teeth, your mouth is going to stink the 3rd day. Why
Yes.
thinking it will? That's the law. What to do? करना पड़ेगा daily. Kanchan, yes, tell me.
यस मैम, मेरे को जैसे आता है कि मैं इतना अर्न कर रही हूँ या चल रही हूँ, ठीक है, सब ठीक, पर अंदर में एक ये बिलीव है कि कैसे होगा. फिर मैं उसमें चली जाती हूँ कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ तो यहाँ से होगा, ये कर रही हूँ, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि मैं वहां पर स्टक हो जाती हूँ कि यहाँ से भी नहीं होगा, यहाँ से नहीं होगा। मतलब ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि आप ये नहीं देखो कि कहाँ से होगा, बट होगा। तो मैं वहां पर अटक जाती हूँ। मैं तो देखने लगती हूँ, अपने बिजनेस को देखने लगती हूँ कि यहाँ से इतना अर्न कैसे कर पाऊंगी, नहीं होगा।
गुड गुड क्वेश्चन। तो जो बेसिक है, जैसा कि आपने भी बोला, द बेसिक ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन इज यू हैव टू फोकस इन ऑन व्हाट एंड व्हाई। क्या चाहिए और क्यों चाहिए, क्या चाहिए और क्यों चाहिए, क्या चाहिए एंड क्यों चाहिए। व्हेन बोथ ऑफ दीज आर क्लियर, हाउ शुड बी लेफ्ट फॉर द यूनिवर्स टू ऑपरेट। कि रास्ता तो बहुत है ना कोई भी चीज़ पे पहुंचने पे। if you want to get on the top of this hill, there is path of roses, there is path of jungle, there is path of river। कोई स्विम करते हुए पहुंच जाएगा, कोई हेलीकॉप्टर से भी पहुंच सकता है, राइट, ऑन द टॉप। कोई एकदम जंगल के रास्ते से एकदम स्ट्रगल करते हुए भी पहुंच सकता है। कोई ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कोई रस्सी को पकड़ के ऐसे ऊपर कोई खींच सकता है और वो ऊपर जा सकता है। तो देर आर वेरियस वेज। जितना भी वेज आप सोचो, यू कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ द थाउजेंड्स ऑफ वेज दैट यूनिवर्स हैज। बी रेडी फॉर अनएक्सपेक्टेड मनी फ्लो, अनएक्सपेक्टेड। आई लव वन ऑफ द affirmation, I would love you to practice that. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantity from multiple sources on a continuous basis in expected and unexpected ways. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantity from multiple sources on a continuous basis in expected and unexpected ways. मतलब unexpected ways में आना should be a normal for you. You should not be shocked, because that is how money flow, energy work. It is not between two people, it is between you and God, universe. ये दो लोगों के बीच में है ही नहीं। तो यहाँ से आएगा, you don't have to think, because any time जब आप सोचते हो यहाँ से आएगा, it will get resisted. It will resist. That person will resist.
And I feel tired, very tired कि इतना करना पड़ेगा, तो मतलब एनर्जी लैक हो जाती है।
हाँ, इतना ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा तब जाके इतना मुझे मिलेगा। दैट मीन्स यू आर क्रिएटिंग स्टोरी। क्यों इतना करना पड़ेगा तब वो मिलेगा? व्हाई हैव आई वुड लव यू टू क्रिएट अ न्यू स्टोरी। ओके, ये एफर्मेशन मैं आपको मैसेज भी कर दूँ, ठीक है? आई विल मैसेज ऑल ऑफ यू। ये क्यों इतना करना, सो आई विल हैव टू रीप्रोग्राम इट, क्योंकि मैंने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस में देखा है कि इतना करना पड़ेगा तभी इतना मिलेगा। तो अब एवरी सिंगल डे कुछ दिन थोड़ी सी अजीब फीलिंग आएगी कि यार मैं बोल तो रही हूँ पर मेरा कोई भी सेल उसको एक्सेप्ट तो नहीं कर रहा है। आई एम नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल सेइंग दिस। यू कीप सेइंग इट लॉन्ग एनफ, इट विल बिकम second nature, it will become second thought that will come to you. मतलब I will tell you, even when I close my eyes, my affirmations comes to me. मेरे thoughts मेरे affirmations है। I close my eyes, मेरे affirmations मेरे दिमाग में चलते हैं, because I practiced it for so long. I don't have to stand and read a paper. My thoughts are my affirmations. So how do we reach there? When you do something long enough, like 10 years now, it will become your second thought. It will become your second nature, kind of. So just do it long enough. कुछ दिन अनकंफर्टेबल होगा, लोग रुक जाते हैं वहाँ पे। वही नहीं करना, रुकना नहीं है।
Yes.
चलना है इस रास्ते पे। If you have chosen this path, just walk on this path. You are that chosen one person that is shown this path. एक तो ये वाला जो पूरा ये जो सिस्टम है, most of the people will never come to know also about this. People will never come to know also. It's a hidden secret. If you are making it, you are a blessed person, for sure. Anurada.
Yes.
Want to share something. One of my co-actor, she's doing affirmation every time when she is eating, before eating, और वो सारा उसका हर टाइम चलता रहता है। तो फर्स्ट डे आई ऑब्जर्व हर और मुझे लगा कि वाओ, शी इज डूइंग वेरी मतलब गुड, कि बहुत अच्छा, मतलब ये तो बहुत अच्छी पर्सनालिटी है, मतलब इतना अच्छा कर रही है। बट आफ्टर few hours I feel कि she is so negative, so negative. तो मुझे लगा कि मैं तो अफर्मेशन कुछ करती नहीं हूँ या कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट स्टिल आई एम नॉट नेगेटिव. शी इज नॉट थिंकिंग वेरी गुड टू अदर्स. वो सबके लिए जेलस फील करना, बिचिंग करना. तो अफर्मेशन काम करती हैं ऐसे लोगों पर?
money doesn't decide that should I come to this if you're a good person, like this is a concept in a society ना कि आपको एक अच्छा इंसान बनना और एक बुरा इंसान, हमारे दिमाग में ये है ना. How many of you have seen not so good people with lot of money? Raise your hand. Who are completely opposite of goodness. Because
Yes.
money only follows your energy towards money. Money doesn't distinguish between a good person and a bad person. इसको हमारे दिमाग में ना फिट करना होगा. हमें ये समझ नहीं आता. हमें लगता है यार ऐसा थोड़ी होना चाहिए. This is not the right thing. How can that person get it? And you will see the conversations that will happen. Like 5 people are sitting, that will be the conversation. That person doesn't, money never distinct. It will only follow the energy that you have towards money. We may see all the negative things that's there, but there are few money beliefs that are very, very strong in that person. I am capable of earning money and money will come to me. It's a very natural for them. For some people are practicing it, right? For some people, it's a natural thing to do. And if it's coming to you, you know that it's a natural thing for you. If it's not coming in that amount that you expect, that means you have to work on. Some people need a month of work. Some people need a year of work. Some people need a 3 year of work, depending on how much kachra I have accumulated all through. And it's okay, right? ठीक है. एक घर की सफाई करने में कितना टाइम लगता है? घर देख के डिसाइड करेंगे ना. घर देख के डिसाइड करेंगे. हो सकता है 5 मिनट में हो जाए किसी के घर, और किसी के घर 1 हफ्ते में भी शायद कुछ ही साफ लगे और वो पूरी साफ ना लगे, क्योंकि वहाँ पे टाइल्स वाला क्लीनर वाला भी हमें एक इंसान रखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज nobody has touched it. कॉफ़ी गिरा, चाय गिरा, हमने छोड़ते गए. We don't know where at which journey which person is. Even if you are finding that person negative और मनी का तो कोई कॉम्बिनेशन है ही नहीं, तो सबसे पहले तो दैट तो फॉरगेट कि उसका मैनिफेस्ट नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इज अ नेगेटिव एंड जेलस पर्सन. होगा उसका भी, उसका होगा, ओके, उसका भी होगा. दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड द सेकेंड इज जस्ट in the starting of my journey, I remember I used to see from the YouTube manifesting. 18-19 years की होंगी मैं. What are the ways to manifest and XYZ? चलो ये भी करती हूँ. And I used to even if I used to manifest, एक तो होता नहीं था at the time, और अगर हो भी गया गलती से, तो it used to go away. Because it's a very superficial layer where we work on when we think, just by doing affirmation, just by doing visualization, just by doing bay leaf technique, just by doing that coin technique, just by doing XYZ technique, it will work. It will not. What deeper work है? It's a very deep work. Okay, it's not a. Now you are having a glimpse of how deeper the work is, where we are getting into breaking the money belief. Can you all see how deeper the work is? थोड़ा सा तो idea मिला होगा how deep the work is. So it's not like upper work. Okay, Archana is in this field. You know, understand how deeper the work is.
Yes, it's all about frequency, and at the same time, yes, to sustain it, if we make them use everything, utilize them positively and nicely, appropriately, then it stays and grows with us.
Yes, and correct. And one more thing, Anuradha, जैसे you said ना कि वो बहुत negative दिख रही है, क्या पता वो 100% negative हो या 100% वो jealous हो, अभी 99 हो गया उसका, 98 हो गया या 95 हो गया, तो उसने तो अपना घर साफ किया है, हमें नजर नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि हमारे इतना तो साफ नहीं है उसका घर. आई एम कंपेयरिंग हर विथ माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि मेरा ज्यादा साफ है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि नहीं है, लेकिन उसने what is her journey from where she has reached there, we don't know ना. Might be can you see that she might be very 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 negative, अभी एक very निकल गया हो. She might be right. If she is choosing to work on that negativity, if she is choosing, some people doesn't choose also, उनको लगता ही नहीं कि
right.
We are choosing ना, हमें वैसे इनबिल्ट किया गया है कि we choose to be a good person. ठीक है.
I think I would ignore people's dirt. I will just say, okay, they are comfortable, let them be. But I'm going to.
Yeah, she was also giving example. Yeah, correct, Archana. She was also giving example कि why she is.
No. But this is nice to talk about it.
Very,
so
very
we be clear. We be clear that we should. Yeah. It's
And
nice.
oh yeah, absolutely. And all of us should have be in this learning energy because we are here to learn and take something out.
Yes.
We are in this learning energy. We should be here to take something out from this, right? All right,
मैम
let's move
थैंक
ahead.
यू सो मच, आपने जैसे अभी ये गाइड किया ना, और मैं एक चीज और आपको शेयर करूंगी। आपने अभी ये बताया, तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जिनसे हम स्ट्रक होते हैं, तो वो क्लियरिटी होना बहुत जरूरी है। दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन। और दूसरी चीज कि मनी का, जो आपसे पहले जब क्लास मैंने अटेंड किया, उससे पहले मनी के लिए मेरा विजन टोटली चेंज था। मैं रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करती थी मनी की, लेकिन अभी मैं डे बाय डे मेरे लिए रिस्पेक्ट और ज्यादा बढ़ रही है कि
Very
कितने
good.
हमारे काम आ रही है और हम अभी रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं करते उसको,
Very good.
और हम कितना इजीली उसको खर्च करते रहते हैं, बट तब भी हम उसको ग्रेटफुल नहीं है, थैंक यू नहीं बोलते।
Correct.
तो अभी बहुत सारी डिफरेंस हो रहा है, मतलब वो एनर्जी चेंज हो रही है, शिफ्ट हो गई एनर्जी
Correct.
अभी।
Very good. Very good. If all of you guys feel a shift in your energy, just do this heart. That yes, I can feel a shift in my energy. That's beautiful. That means you are going in that direction. I would love all of you to go. Right? That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Amazing. Something came in my mind to discuss. All right. Okay. Close your eyes, all of you, for a minute. Put your attention completely to yourselves. Nothing in this moment is more important than you being with your own self at this moment. Just be with your own self. Feel your own energy. What's your energy right now at this moment? Now I would love you to see your money giant form. The giant money form. Your money giant form that you have made for yourself. I would love you to see yourself there. And now, that money giant form of you, I would love you to just see the details of your money giant form. What are you wearing? Where are you sitting? What are the things around? Get into the detail. And you're sitting for a coffee with someone. And now this richest version of you can actually see the current version of you sitting right in front of you. So the current version of you, the current you, is actually sitting right in front of your richest version of you. Both sitting for a coffee. Both of you are just sitting for that coffee together. And now the current version of you at this point, is asking the richest version of you, what is one thing I need to do to reach to my richest version of me? What is one thing I need to do to be you? I want to be you. All of you ask that question to your richest version. What is one thing I need to do to be you? listen to the advice. Whatever is coming in, just listen to it. And once you have taken that advice, I would love you to be in the energy. Open up your eyes. Write that advice on that piece of paper. Whatever your richest version has told you, just write it on that piece of paper, whatever is there in front of you. What is the richest version of you that is there in your mind? For all of us, the version of richness will be different. For some people, earning 50,000 a month is richness. For some people, 1 crore in the bank account is richness. For some people, 100 crore in bank account is richness. For some people, 1,000 crore is also less. So, doesn't matter. Your version of life you have to live, not somebody else's version. Written? What is the advice that your richest version has given you? Now, I would love to listen and just embody that. So one by one, all of you will say what is the advice your richest version has told you, and embody that. Because whatever the advice it has given you, it's a very important advice. Okay? If you follow that, you will really reach there. So who will start? सबको कोई advice मिला या नहीं मिला? आपके richest version ने आपसे कुछ बोला नहीं बोला? बोला, right? Okay. Dr. Lalit, what has your richest version told you?
Alignment.
Alignment. Very good. Alignment. Align. You have everything, just align. Love that. Alignment लिख के बड़ा just put it somewhere. ताकि याद रहे, right? Archana, what has your richest version told you?
That abundance is my birthright. I am abundance myself. Just stay connected to the energy.
Love that.
To
Connected to the energy. Right. Beautiful. So just be connected to that energy. Kind of alignment.
yeah.
Gitanjali, what has your richest version told you? What to do to become her? Because that already exists in one of the dimensions. Whatever you can see here, the different dimensions of the universe, it's already existing. Right? So,
Right.
So what has
So-
been told you?
I would like to share, actually last time also I thought to, I'd like to share one thing.
Please share.
I haven't spoken much about myself to you, I think last time when we had met,
Right.
one to one. But I have reached to a great level in Dubai when I was there. So I have seen success. And yeah, but the thing is that maybe there are some blocks that come in my mind at times because of the thing that happened last year, as I told you.
Right.
So now this version of me tells me to be consistent, to be dedicated, and to be resilient.
Right. Beautiful.
Yes.
Write down. That is your advice. Be consistent, be resilient, and be dedicated, right? That dedicated is the word. So that is your thing. Because your wisest version, no matter what other people are saying, the bestest advice will always come from inside. Okay?
Yeah.
No matter how intelligent the other person, how knowledgeful, doesn't matter. You have that wise soul sitting here. Listen to it a little bit more. And today, all of you have listened to it. I would love all of you to listen to it more. Right? Okay, Anuradha, what has your richest self told you?
मैम मेरा तो कुछ ड्रीम ही अलग हो गया था अभी, कुछ और ही कनेक्ट हो गई थी मैं, आई डोंट नो कहाँ कनेक्ट हो गई थी, जो मैंने दूर दूर तक कभी सोचा भी नहीं है. मैं फील कर रही थी कि मैं दुबई में कहीं हूँ और एवरी शेख्स आर स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड दे आर गिविंग मी रिस्पेक्ट और ग्रैटिट्यूड. आई डोंट नो, वो एक विजन हो रहा था आंख बंद करके, बट उसमें वो रियलाइज हुआ कि ये सब होने वाला है बहुत जल्दी, लेकिन मुझे कंसिस्टेंट रहना पड़ेगा उसके लिए.
Great.
और क्लियर होना है, प्योर होना है. और
Clarity and consistency to do it, that is what, right? So as I said, this is not just to do just to be consistent, and when you dedicate yourself that no, now I don't want to live ordinary, हो गया, I deserve more, I know that. ठीक है, लोगों की नज़र में maybe I have more, but I don't know, मेरा जो more है उससे I am not reached there, correct? So I would love all of you to really get into that. So consistency, energy, that this is the okay. Kanchan, what is your richest version has told you?
Everything will be possible.
Everything is possible. Beautiful. Write down. जब भी लगे ये होगा, read that. Everything is possible. Every single thing is possible. हुआ है भाई इतने सारे लोगों के साथ, तो मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं होगा? Write down. लिखना ही है कुछ तो write down 100 reasons why will it be possible. It will be possible because now I have a new self concept around money. It will be possible because now I have mentorship around money. It will be possible because now I'm working on money energy every single day. It will be possible. Give yourself 100 reasons why will it be possible. Okay? It will increase your self belief. So beautiful answer. Can you see how different and how beautiful all of the learnings are? Amazing. Okay, who is left? Kanchan, Archana, Gitanjali. पूछ लिया ना मैंने सबसे? अर्चना से पूछा?
Yes.
Yes.
Taken that.
Okay, perfect. Then let's come together. Let's do our hug, send blessings, and then go. Okay, hold your hands, all of you. Sending lots of love and blessings to each one of you. May God really showers His blessings and you are able to see the miracles, the opportunities and things happening miraculously, easily and effortlessly for you. Just be in that energy. Be in that energy to receive. Be in that energy to receive all the abundance that God has to offer you. Thank you so much. Sending so much of love to each and every soul out here. Come together, let's hug, and then we will go. All right. Thank you. Just keep this, all of you. Same smile. इसकी हिफाजत करना आपका काम. Nobody should take it. Nobody. ठीक है, कोई allowed नहीं है. ठीक है? Take care. We'll meet tomorrow.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.